this video, I'm going to be going through some of my live trades. So I'm going to be going through some trades with some stocks, some cryptocurrencies, and going through my strategy. So my strategy involves moving averages, the 9, 20, 100, and momentum, MACD, and I'm mainly doing scalping. So let's go through some of these stocks here, see if there's any ideal opportunities. Nothing too big here. Amazon, things are moving downwards here a little bit. Might potentially sell. See how things are moving here. It's a little bit risky because it's already down quite a bit. So indecision is is a key thing when it comes to scalping. So indecision will cost you a lot of money a lot of times. So here, I'm actually going to do a buy right around. Okay, so once things take an upturn here, if things take an upturn, I will do a buy. These are just a little bit uncertain here, so I'm actually going to skip this for now. Okay, and this right here, I expect it to take a downturn actually. So let's do that on a 30-second time frame and sell at $200. So let's do a sell. So the reason I did this right here is because it was taking a downward movement there just now, and there are some supports here as well. Some resistance here as well that was indicating that it's going to move downwards. So that was the reason behind my investment downwards here. Let's see how this plays out. And it was a successful trade right there. Voila. And now let's go to Twitter and some other stocks. On Twitter here, no big movements. Potentially some downwards movement very soon, but it's a little bit hard to tell. Here, there is a support level that might be actually breaking right now. So potentially a short 5-second scalp downwards could make sense. If not, okay, it might be testing the support level. So maybe a 5-second buy actually might make sense. Okay, there we go. Another win right there. So it's quick decision making right here. Saw this going upwards. Saw this support level right here that it was testing, and it was successful. Okay, simple as that. Facebook, things are going upwards here quite a bit. Cisco, nothing too big here. So yeah, maybe it'll turn upwards very soon. We see this, general speaking, support line right here that it's testing. Potentially a flag creation right here. So it could actually pump up quite a bit very soon. Just not very sure about it. Potentially a 15-second. Second buy. See what happens there. Testing that level right there. And okay, it almost made the trade. It was just the time slot was probably just a little bit too small. Wasn't the exact right timing, as we see right here. The indicators were lining up, things were turning green, but it just didn't turn out well. So that's just the case with many trades. You just won't, things won't turn out your way even if everything lines up. So now here, crossover right here, potentially happening. Upwards movement. Green. It's good to see. Especially if I see this goes down a little bit and buy. Support level right here. Right. And voila, another profit right there. Just recuperated our losses. Let's take a look at a little bit at the cryptocurrencies. Nothing stands out that I won't do anything there, but if something does, potentially. So here, there's a little bit of upwards momentum happening here. Nothing too substantial though. Support level here. I'll do a buy here. See what happens. So this was a hammer stick. So a hammer stick right here for the candle. So that's the reason I did that. It did not turn out well, but that's okay. So we're just gonna end our trading session right here, and that's how I do my trades. Hopefully you found this helpful. And if you want 50% off your first deposit on Pocket Option, go to BeCoin.net. That's BeCoin.net right here. And on BeCoin.net, it's very simple to get your 50% off. All you have to do is just click this, enter the promo code, and we have 50% off your first deposit on Pocket Option.